Welcome! If you want more control over who can reply to your broadcast channel messages on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set your broadcast channel replies so that only people you follow can respond. This is perfect if you want to keep your conversations more private or just cut down on unwanted replies. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This is often called the menu icon. Tap it and a list of options will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, scroll down until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you control all the notifications you receive from Instagram, including messages and replies. Inside the Notifications menu, look for the Messages section. Tap on it to open more detailed settings related to your direct messages and broadcast channels. Now, this is the key step. Find the option labeled Broadcast Channel Replies. Once you tap on it, you'll see a few choices for who can reply to your broadcast channel messages. To limit replies only to people you follow, select From People I Follow. That's it! You've just updated your settings so only the people you follow can reply to your broadcast channel messages. This simple change can make a big difference in keeping your conversations focused and your experience on Instagram more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want more privacy on their broadcast channels. For more tips and the latest updates on Instagram features, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.